Many of you are new here, so I thought I'd introduce myself. I help artists find their own success by showing them non-conventional ways to sell their art. My name's Maria Brophy. I'm the owner of the Brophy Art Gallery, and I have been helping artists build their art career for 20 years. It all started back in the 1990s when I met a surfer and artist named Drew Brophy. And he convinced me to leave my job in the insurance industry to sell his surf art. Back then, Drew's art wasn't accepted by galleries. They said, this isn't real art. And so what we had to do was sidestep the snobbery of the fine art world and do everything that the fine art world told us not to do. We started out working in our garage, but then we graduated to a studio, and then we ended up moving here to this big, beautiful space in downtown San Clemente, California. We grew art sales significantly, so much so that artists started asking for my advice, and I ended up writing this book, which became an Amazon bestseller. We did so well with art sales that we were able to travel the world. We've been to 30 different countries, and we raised our family of 4 in a little Southern California beach town. I've known for a long time that it's my purpose in life to help artists. I figured out how to do a lot of things to make money with art, and I believe that my purpose is to make it easy for you. So do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, watch my videos, and while you're down there, leave me a comment and let me know what your questions are about the business of art. And thanks for being on my channel. Love ya. Mean it.